Hi guys, welcome to the Imam TV. Today we are going to show us how to upload your files on Google Drive. How to upload your files to Google Drive. So let's get started. It is opening. We are waiting. So as you can see, this is the first page that will open. Then you have to check when your email address or email address that you want to upload such files to it. Then we are going to use other account. Let's do this one. Then we choose this one that has I think it is empty. So for that, when you want to start uploading your file, you will just click on this plus sign. You will click on what? Plus sign, like this. Then it will show this page for you. Then by then you will click upload. Then you will wait for it to open. Then it has opened. Then you will check for what you want to upload. It is images or audio or videos. So then whatever you click, it will show such thing for you. Then we click on videos, so that videos has a feed. So that let's check which one we are going to use. Let's use this one that has this thing, kilobyte, for a short to short it a video. So for that, your file is starting uploading. That is preparation. Before you need to open, you need to open a Wi-Fi. First. You saw that upload first. Then you will wait. Then it's fused. That is it. Then you will click on resume. Then it will start. It will start. It is uploading. Then I think the thing has uploaded. Let's locate the file. Then locate the file that we have been uploaded in our this thing. So here is our file that we have uploaded in Google Drive from our phone to Google Drive. That is how you are going to do for each and every file that you want to upload. Since it has uploaded, it is there. Then when you want to upload music, you will also click upload. Then after that, you will go to the audio, which will show you which will show all your audio files. Then you will choose the one that you want to upload. Then let's choose this one that has kilobyte for because of we don't have enough network. Let us choose it. As you can see, you must to come back and click on resume. Then let's just click. You can stay and see how it is working. It is uploading. Then file have been uploaded. When you want to locate the files, you will click on locate file. Then you will see a place where your file are. Then that is it. As you can see, we have uploaded 2 files in our Google Drive. So thank you for watching. See you next time.